Right, good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you're all doing well out there, having a decent day and stuff. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions that you may have, please feel free to leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I'm going to do a follow-up on my video about VeChain that I did the other day regarding the new white paper and how some of the developments could help lead VeChain towards that $1 mark. Which is quite exciting. But before I get there, we have to be realistic about what the cryptocurrency market's looking like today. So I'll quickly go through the market. We're clinging on to the $1 trillion market cap just by a thread at the moment. It's $1.01 trillion, which is represents a decrease of 1.08% over the last 24 hours. We've got a 24-hour trading volume of $42.6 billion, and Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 42.2%. Bitcoin itself is currently trading just over $22,000, so it's down 1.5% today, 5% over the week. Ethereum's still over $1,500. XRP has had a nice little run up today, only 2.5%, but it shines out in the top 10 because nothing else has done well. Everything else is down, what's the maximum, between 1 and 2%, so it's not really a pretty picture across the broader market. I've not checked the biggest rises over the last 24 hours, but I wouldn't expect there to be a lot. Conflux, Floki and XRP, that's pretty much it. It's quite nice to see Ripple doing well. Hopefully that court case is going to be coming to an end soon. So moving on to the VeChain page, this really doesn't look very nice, but fundamentally the project still looks sound. We're trading at 0.023 at the moment, which is down 5.47% against the US dollar. We're down 4.05% against Bitcoin. We're still sitting on over 1 million watch lists. Market cap $1.6 billion. 24-hour trading volume of $47 billion and a circulating supply of 72.5 billion VeChain, which represents 84% of the total supply. The chart, you don't have to be a genius to see what that's saying. Latest most of my investing goes into VeChain. It will be bullish and good for all our money pockets, hopefully. So a lot of it, people saying they're bullish on VeChain. I need to find a better way of gauging sentiment other than the comments on CoinMarketCap, but it is what it is for now. It's something for me to work on. So looking at the VeChain chart, I quickly looked at this earlier and it's not looking great. Yesterday we didn't manage to push up above the daily 50, and today we've just broken down about a big sell-off. I'm not sure of the rationale behind it other than the general market is selling off. Perhaps there could have been some profit taking from people that got in around these levels. They might have thought, well, I've banked, let's just do some quick percentages. So say you got in around here, you saw yourself up 108%, and now you've seen you've given back 50%. So you might think, well, I'm going to get out with 50% profit. It's that one can only speculate. But my thought is that we will head back down towards the 0.019, at which point I will invest back in heavily. I'm not going to be buying in at the moment while it's falling down like this. I'll wait for it to find a floor and then DCA back in. I'll see if this daily 100 holds. Are there any divergences? Not. Everything looks okay on the MACD. Apart, I say okay. There's just nothing standing out. Momentum is to the downside. Signal line, MACD line, both pointed downwards. 50 still above the 100, which technically is bullish, but other than that, it's not really that pretty at the moment, other than we've had a decent run up and we've got quite a big pullback going on. So, excuse me, if I go onto this article quickly, it's on Crypto News Flash, which I will link down below. I'll go through it quickly and see what we think of it. VeChain to conquer $1 trillion market with new platform that offers codeless technology. Can VET hit $1? VeChain to soon introduce VORJ Code 3 Web3 services platform, allowing users to create, manage and deploy smart contracts with ease. VeChain has planned for a wallet browser extension dubbed vWorld, an Ethereum token bridge, an NFT marketplace and a dApp Explorer this year. Popular blockchain platform VeChain recently unveiled a few technological developments taking their end along with the launch of its latest web wallet, VORJ. Anton Senatore, the CTO of VeChain Foundation, made the official announcements for the same. Among all the updates, the VeChain CTO revealed that VeChain is set to introduce VORJ Code 3 Web3 services platform, which will make it possible for users to create, manage and deploy smart systems without the need for any technical knowledge. This development seeks to eliminate the barriers that have previously hindered the creation of digital assets. VORJ will basically function as a no-code Web3 service platform, bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3. Regardless of one's technical abilities, it will allow everyone to create and deploy smart contracts. So, well, that sounds fairly interesting for people that aren't that tech savvy. Imagine it'd be like a painted by numbers type thing. Senatore said that the VeChain Foundation will be releasing further information regarding the VORJ platform in the coming weeks. The team is expecting that the release of the VORJ will significantly enhance the functionality of VeChain, thereby offering users an easy-to-use and efficient platform for creating and managing digital assets. As per the current roadmap shared by the CTO, the VORJ platform will be live by the first half of 2023, so by June, so it's not that far away. It's all, it's March already. This year's flying by. With the VORJ, VeChain can also cement its position as a leading player in the blockchain space. Also, the platform's user-friendly design and advanced features will attract a wide range of users. The VeChain roadmap. Blockchain platform VeChain seeks to offer real-world use cases such as streamlining supply chain management and providing secure and transparent means of tracking goods and services. In recent years, VeChain gained significant attention with its innovation approach to real-world use cases. VeChain has undertaken some interesting milestones this year. The blockchain network is serious about its ambition to reduce carbon emissions globally, to prioritise digital sustainability. VeChain has been tracking its carbon emissions and will be launching a carbon footprint calculator in the first half of 2023. Additionally, VeChain has planned for a wallet browser extension dubbed vWorld, an Ethereum bridge token bridge, an NFT marketplace, and a dApp Explorer, all in the first half of the year. During the second half of the year, VeChain is planning a major push into DEX DeFi. It also plans to have a DNS community with VeChain naming system, as well as an asset lending platform for the VeChain community. Furthermore, VeChain is likely to introduce multi-chain data bridges along with oracles this year. With all these developments lined up, VeChain will make it easier for businesses and individuals to benefit from the advantages of blockchain technology. So they're going to be getting into DeFi, which is quite interesting. But there's a lot of stuff coming before, June, July this year. So they've got a lot of stuff coming that's due to be launched. So there's a lot of exciting stuff happening in the VeChain ecosystem, which can only be good for what, the price is pretty bleak at the moment. If you zoom out to the monthly and look at where we have been, let me just expand that slightly. Things have been much better than they are. And all this development, even though the price is down, it only bodes well for the future when the eventual bull market does come, which personally I believe will be in 2024, which is no concern to me. I'm in no rush. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to keep increasing my positions in all the projects that I believe in, and VeChain is one of the ones that's right at the top of that list. So, $1. The article just mentioned the headline. It didn't actually pertain as to how VeChain would get to $1. That, there's no talk of market cap and such like, but personally, I do see this easily getting to 50 cents. $1, I believe, is achievable long term. Bit of a reach at the moment, but I'm just going to keep accumulating these levels and hope for the best. I'm investing strategically, so that makes me sound like a not very sophisticated investor when I say hoping for the best, because I'm constantly talking about the fundamentals behind this project, which is why I believe it will succeed. And investing in this is almost a no-brainer. It's just so fundamentally sound and so innovative that I don't see how it can fail. Not financial advice, obviously, just my own opinion. So that's just a quick video on the follow-up to the VeChain new white paper and certain people's belief that this could drive VeChain towards $1. So yeah, there's a lot on the horizon, a lot to be excited about. Don't let the price get you down at the moment. Just look at it as an opportunity to get in when the price finds a floor. I wouldn't be buying right now. I'd wait for this daily candle to close and see how it reacts to that. See how it reacts to the daily 100, see how it reacts to that support of 0.019, and we've got support of 0.015. So yeah, exciting times ahead. All the best with your investments. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience. And any comments, questions, price predictions you might have, please leave them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye for now.